Welcome to Minions. I'm currently stood in the highest village in Cornwall. It's the 4th of January 2026 and the weather, I think it's best to say, is looking rather ominous. Village here is 299 metres above sea level. Caradon Hill just there, significantly higher. And that transmitter tower there is where West Devon and East Cornwall get their television signal from. This location is idyllic. Just a couple of hundred people live in Minions now. It's a tiny little village and it's an absolute nightmare to get to. But once upon a time, somebody felt the need to build these engine houses. And if we come down here, you can see the remains of this railway here, the Liskeard and Caradon Railway. Why would you build a railway 300 metres up a hillside? There's another railway just over there. In fact, this railway went all the way around Caradon Hill. And another one was built the other side of Caradon Hill. There was a real network of transport here. This was one of the first railways in Cornwall.